All right, I've got a crock here and we're just gonna jump right into this. This is a fantastic recipe. This is the way we do it here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. I've got 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese going in. Now into that, I'm going to add, this is 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I've got 1/3 cup of sour cream. Now you can mix this in another bowl, but I don't see no point in dirtying up another bowl. I can just do all my mixing right here. Now I've got 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese, and I'm gonna put about 6 ounces of that into this. Save some to put on the top. Same thing with these green onions. I'm gonna put most of these in here, but save some to garnish with right there at the end. That should be plenty. Now I've got 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I've got 2 teaspoons of paprika. Then I'm using knee-deep Fado dough all-purpose Cajun rub or Cajun seasoning. Excellent stuff. My buddy Keith Jenkins markets that, sells that. He created that. 2 teaspoons. I've got 1 lemon that not only did I zest it, but I also juiced it. 1 whole lemon and the zest of. Now I want to add 1/8 of a cup of tomato paste. It should be plenty. And my recipe also calls for 2 garlic cloves. You can use fresh garlic and mince it, or you can use this, what I'm using here, just a couple of squirts. There's 1 clove. There's 2nd clove. Good enough. Right now we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of this Louisiana hot sauce. I'm just going to guesstimate at that. You can go more, you can go less. Hold that right there. Now also you can add cayenne, and you can do that or you can eliminate it. I'm just going to put a small amount inside, then I'll add some more on top. Now I've got cracked black pepper. I need about 1 teaspoon. I am using my pepper cannon. This will make short order of it. See how much we got? Wow, that's almost enough right there. Oh yeah, that's plenty. All right, we're gonna give this a thorough mix, and I'll bring you right back and I'll show you the last thing we gotta do before it goes into the oven. All right, we are down to just a few more ingredients here. And one of them is crab. You cannot have crab dip without crab. Now I'm gonna tell you, I'm fortunate enough to be able to get fresh lump crab meat. They have places around here that actually cook the crab and then pick all the meat out. But so you know, on this particular recipe, you can use like a pasteurized canned crab. It won't be as good as what this is, but it's gonna run a real close second. And technically you could use, like if you had snow crab legs or king crab legs, you could use the meat from that. I would even go so far as to say you could use an imitation crab if you like that. Me personally, I don't. So in with all this crab, I just want to take and bust that up. Then we're just going to gently fold it in. Try to hold them pieces as big as we can. That is lump crab meat. So we're just going to take and fold this in really well. I'm going to take this pepper jack, the remainder of it, we just want to coat this across the top. A little bit more cayenne. Don't want to burn people up. Just want just a little bit of back end heat, very little. That's plenty. All right, now I'm gonna put this in a 400-degree oven, and we're gonna let it go for roughly 20 minutes. And once it gets nice and bubbly, now we'll be putting the lid on so the cheese doesn't brown too quick. When I'm 10 minutes into it, I'll remove that and let it go the additional 10 minutes or whatever it takes. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go in, close her up. Here's the moment of truth, but I'm gonna tell you, I just made this for our Christmas Eve dinner. I tell you what, people would not stay out of it. It was such a hit, and you can see why. It's just beautiful. All right, I got these French baguettes, Walmart. Seriously, and they're really good. Now this is a dip. It's got that layer of cheese we got to get through first. We're just going to put some of this right onto our bread and give this bad boy a try. Here we go. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. My wife is right there. Oh, it's so good. I know I'm hitting it close, but I wanted to get this video out before Super Bowl Sunday because this would be fantastic at any football party. Like I said, we had it for our Christmas Eve dinner. Absolutely fantastic. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.